What's not funny? What's he doing? Are you having trouble?
Yes.
Try again. Do it like you did last time. You need help? Where are you going?
Leaving.
Okay, well, we're leaving.
I leave too.
Me and Elliot are leaving in the stroller, so you need to get in the stroller so you can leave with us. Be easy with him. Don't hit him in the face. Delaney, could you climb in the stroller, please?
I fit, Mommy.
Huh?
I fit.
He spit?
Yes.
Ew. That's yucky.
I can wipe off. I can wipe off.
You can wipe it off. Be easy, Delaney. Okay, say bye to the camera.